Hello, everybody. So here's another bit of solar news on related to insurance. So I'm talking about the financial aspects, solar, water heating, and insurance, particularly the Geyser. Okay, so it's a solar Geyser finance situation. Okay, how can we deal with it? Okay, so what I'm saying here is we should be looking ahead. We should really look ahead. I've tried and working on it, and I'm going to get this model right. I'm damn sure about it. But the financial model certainly works. It's a no-brainer, actually. Okay, so let's say that your standard Geyser cover for your 150-liter Geyser gives you 9,000 Rand cover. Let's just say 9,000. Can be 9.5. It could be 8.5, whatever. Let's just say 9,000 Rand. They got a 9,000 Rand limit on your policy. Now your Geyser bursts. Now the first thing you want to do is to get a new Geyser in, okay? And you're not going to start fiddling around about options and things. You just want to know that tonight when you shower, you want to have a hot one. So you just want them to sort it out. So, to avoid that situation, rather do some planning as a body corporate. What can the body corporate do for their owners and looking in a solar direction? 40% of your electrical costs are probably hot water heating related. So just bear that in mind. So I'm thinking about just taking a step back from all of this excitement around solar panels at the moment and just take a look at your hot water properly. So what we're saying is 9,000 Rand limit. Well, why can't that go towards a solar system when your policy when your policy needs to respond to a Geyser claim? That's what I'm saying. Now, I've taken a benchmark standard, good quality, stainless steel Geyser that sits on the roof, and, with the tubes, stainless steel Geyser, 150-liter Geysers. That would cost 27,500 Rand fully installed. Okay, so what I'm saying is, why not then look at taking 9,000 Rand, sticking it in towards that as a deposit, and now you've got 18,500 Rand odd to finance. If you take 18,500 Rand and you were to finance that over 60 months, 5 years, on a loan at 15%, even cheaper if it comes out of your bond or from other finance that you might have, or even a credit card, quite frankly. If you were to finance that at 15%, my calculation says 440 Rand a month. 440 Rand a month times 60 months. Now, if your electrical bill is as little as 1,000 Rand, and mine certainly is a lot more than that. So if your bill is 1,000 Rand a month, you are going to probably immediately kick in and save 400 Rand a month, at least. Maybe even more. Okay, especially if your bill is 2,000 Rand a month, you're probably going to save 800 Rand a month. Okay, so you're going to certainly save and pay. The system is going to pay for itself. So we suggest that immediately that you have a claim, that you consider reverting to a stainless steel solar system. It's a no-brainer. Never mind the insurance premium savings that you might achieve. Okay. Don't forget the 3 things. Okay. Like, share, and subscribe. Those are the 3 things you should be doing after watching one of these videos. Thank you very much. I appreciate you watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.